How to add printer on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. Once you're here, navigate to the location of the file you want to print. In this case, the file is located inside the Download folder. Tap on the image to open it up. With the file open, tap on the Share icon in the bottom left corner. This will open up the Share sheet, which provides various options. Scroll down and tap on the Print option as shown. You are now on the Print option screen. Tap on Printer at the top to select an available printer. Your iPhone will then automatically search for nearby AirPrint-enabled printers. If a printer is found, select it from the list to proceed. Then, tap on Print in the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily add printer on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.